And now we are discussing the research problem number 5. A good research problem should be measurable. Yung problema dapat ng research is masusukat mo tulad ng isang school. For example, the Adriatico Memorial School, sila magiging subject mo dun sa research problem mo. Kunyari is hindi sila makakapasok if malakas ang ulan kasi nga open field yung gitna nila. So, magpropose ka ng project which is lalagyan nyo ng malaking stadium or mas bibigyan nyo siya sa gitna ng isang pathway where na pwedeng tawiran ng mga estudyante pamula sa gate hanggang sa classroom nila. And now for the number 6, the good research problem is time-bound. Yung sa research time-bound naman is hanggang kailan yung research mo magiging beneficial or yung mga deadline ng mga research. Tapos, kung saan ka nagsimula, for example, is from 2019, hanggang kailan nangyari yung research problem, let's say, up to 2021, nandun yung COVID-19. So, dapat magiging applicable pa rin yung research problem mo sa kung anong date ngayon. Kasi dun magiging reliable or kapaki-pakinabang naman yung research problem. So, if it is not updated to date, then walang kwenta yung research. So, let's proceed to number 7. The research problem is good if it does not cause ethical or moral violations. Let's say, for example, for yun sa doktor na nag-video na inooperahan yung kanyang pasyente, whether it is for the sake of studies, dapat hindi mo dapat bibidyohan yung iyong pasyente without his permission or her permission. Kasi labag yun sa code of ethics nila eh. Kasi hindi nagbigay ng pahintulit yung pasyente mo upang bidyohan mo sila habang inyong sinasagawa yung pag-oopera sa kanya. Now, let's proceed to number 8. A research problem is good of the study of it would contribute to the refinement of certain important concepts, creation or improvements of research instrument and analytical system, and it will permit generalizations. So, dito, dapat yung problem is talagang up to date para yung solution is magiging pakinabang sa mga susunod na henerasyon na hindi katulad ng sinabi ko dun sa number 6 na susolusyonan mo or gagawan mo ng solusyon yung mga nangyari noong nakaraan. For example, the 2019 virus, the COVID-19. Nag-stop na sila nung 2019 to up to 2020 or 2021. So, hindi na sila magiging effective sa mga future generations. So, you should disregard the research problem by that. Kasi, nakagawa na tayo ng mga vaccines yung Moderna at iba-iba pa. So, it would be not beneficial kasi may current na solution na para sa problem na yun. So, let's go for the number 9. The research problem is good if it is manageable. If the problem is not manageable, then how can you create a new technology or a solution if the problem itself is not manageable or is nearly impossible? With the current technologies of our time, we couldn't create a cure. Like for example, the cure for cancer. The research is been studied for years and not up to this date, no one has still the solution or cure for the cancers. Or even for the leukemia, they didn't have for cure, but there are treatments. Yun, magiging beneficial if hindi ka hahanap ng cure or kaya nagawa ng research upang gawan mo ng treatment. Let's say for alternatives ba? Kaya ka nag-survey at gumawa ng research. And that's it. Thank you for watching.